sustainable urban development and mobility for all. 70% of our buildings standing today were still to be constructed in 2020. The current demand for mobility and transportation was a third of what it was in 2020. In addressing these gaps, the principles of reusing, repurposing, and recycling played a crucial role. Conscious that we live in a world that is increasingly running out of natural resources, judicious use of resources is a key philosophy that is being increasingly leveraged by businesses, policymakers, and citizens alike. Renting out spaces, services, and transport for everyday use has become the norm. This has helped reduce dependency on limited resources. Electric vehicles are now much more common, cheaper, and accessible. It is easier to charge EVs because charging points are commonplace. People are purchasing fewer private vehicles and opt for public transport more often. Vehicles running on petroleum are still around, but they are less affordable to use and maintain now. Self driving public transport modes such as cabs and buses have also become popular in Indian cities. Artificial intelligence directly maps traffics and routes you onto the most efficient path automatically. India has become an emerging hub for manufacturing, such as vehicles, which leave behind reduced carbon footprints. Sourcing and disposing of batteries became a major challenge, but we are working on materials that retain their ability to hold electricity for longer. However, we now have reskilled people like auto mechanics and drivers whose jobs have become obsolete due to this change. Retrofitting vehicles with internal combustion engines has been piloted in several places. Roads are being laid using recycled materials and wastes instead of tar. Cities continue to grow large but are now organized into zones, reducing congestion and improving supply networks efficiency. Local communities have been encouraged to decide on the kind of traffic they want on their roads. As an experiment, we see many communities restricting heavy and motorized vehicles, only allowing for small EVs and bicycles, designating no vehicle streets, and free last mile public transportation for lower income groups. Carbon, old vehicle, import, and luxury taxes are being levied to fund the transition towards green vehicles, public transport, and public spaces. People have recognized the cultural relevance of roads, and there are now avenues for events such as pride parades. Several initiatives have encouraged people's participation in the management of roads, keeping them safe for all, including the elderly, women, non humans, and thereby genuinely making our streets for people.